Hello everyone, welcome to the class where we will be learning the major difference between virtual reality and augmented reality. Let us look at the basic differences. For experiencing virtual reality, you require head-mounted devices which will immerse you completely inside the virtual world. But for augmented reality, it can be experienced with smartphones and also with HMDs supporting AR like HoloLens or Meta 2. In augmented reality, camera is the main sensor for experiencing AR. But there is no need of camera for experiencing VR. Virtual reality replaces actual reality with artificial reality, but augmented reality adds up virtual objects inside your real world environment. Let's take our discussion to more in-depth knowledge. Let's cover the difference in screen technology. Virtual reality uses OLED panels, whereas in AR, we mostly see light field displays. VR headsets provides a mean for a screen to be placed near the eye, taking up the field view, immersing the users in digital content. Much more complicated than OLED screens, the AR devices rely on light field displays and advanced optics to present digital content to the user. For more detailed information, I have shared the link in the resource section. Now, next we will compare the differences in design and development. For VR, we already have an existing and emerging software and hardwares. We have 3D surrounding, audio and video cameras, and production techniques continue to evolve and are available. Software is robust and getting better and better. We have game engines like Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, etc. Future is behind as compared to VR and a lot of hard work to be done for augmented reality. 3D modeling, real-time 3D scanning, capturing, compositing and spatial aware software development are necessary. AR is bit more complicated than virtual reality at this point of time, and it is in very early stage, but we have similar development tools as we use in virtual reality like Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, etc., which is helping this industry to grow in a rapid format. Next and last comparison will be market readiness. VR is here. We can say everyone is executing virtual reality. Oculus broke ground. The HTC Vive is upon us. Game and media companies are scrambling. It is all very real, very promising, and consumer adopting of headsets are what everyone should be watching. For augmented reality, everyone is excited. AR is also evolution towards mixed reality. What Microsoft HoloLens, Meta and Magic Leap promises us is a new type of digital content experience that is truly transformation. A lot of work has to happen and industry is really shifting gears for it. So, till now, we saw the comparison in the field of screen, design, technology, market readiness, and we also gained basic differences. Now, if someone asks you what is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, you will be able to differentiate AR and VR in terms of basic differences as well as industry related. Thank you for listening. Wish you all the best. See you in the next class.